Are you thinking about selling your home as is? I want to share with you some quick insights on selling your home as is. It might be a great option for you, especially in this current market. And this is why. Given the lack of homes that still prevails in our market, it might make a great option for selling properties with two things: deferred maintenance and not in its best condition, while still being able to sell for a competitive price. Perhaps you're not interested in doing repairs or updates and renovations, don't have the budget, or rather avoid the inconveniences. It might also be an inheritance property where you might be in a different location and it might make sense to sell as is. Now, when you sell a home as is, you're basically letting buyers know upfront that you're not planning to make any repairs or improvements, and it brings two things up front. The house needs work and the price might be cheaper, at least in the eyes of most buyers. Although that can save you time, money, and a lot of stress, it's important to perhaps assess the property, set the right price, and disclose any non-material effects with the right expectations so the buyers understand they're taking any potential issues. This might impact the final price, and it's important also to assess your home's condition and possibility to introduce some low-cost improvements that might bring a better price otherwise. Selling as is can attract investors, flippers, or buyers looking for a fixer-upper, making your property appealing to a wider pool of buyers looking for a bargain or resale potential for renovations. Now, working with a knowledgeable real estate expert can help you set a fair market price so you don't leave money on the table. It's important to choose an agent with experience with these type of transactions that have the know-how to help you navigate the process smoothly, ensuring a successful sale on your terms and conditions for the most money possible. So when you're ready to get started or considering selling, this might be still a best time to do so. For a free consultation and to discuss your best options to help you navigate this process, call, text, or email me. I'll be more than happy to consult with you. Until then, thank you for your referrals.